Fish sticks may look simple, rectangular portions of white fish coated in a golden crust. But behind that familiar freezer aisle staple is a highly controlled industrial process designed to preserve freshness, ensure food safety, and deliver consistent texture and flavor at massive scale. What begins as freshly harvested fish must be filleted, trimmed, portioned, battered, breaded, pre-fried, frozen, inspected, and packaged, all within hours. Every stick must cook evenly, stay moist inside, crisp on the outside, and meet strict weight and quality standards. And today on the How Factory, we're stepping inside modern seafood processing plants to see exactly how fish sticks are made, from fresh fillets to frozen crispy sticks. The story of fish sticks begins in the mid-20th century when frozen foods transformed how seafood could be distributed and consumed. Before freezing technology advanced, fish was highly perishable and difficult to transport inland. The development of rapid freezing and breading systems allowed processors to preserve fish texture and flavor while creating a convenient cook-from-frozen product. Fish sticks quickly became a staple, especially for households seeking affordable protein with a long shelf life. Today, billions of fish sticks are produced annually, relying on industrial precision rather than small-scale cooking. The process starts with raw fish. Most fish sticks are made from lean white fish species such as pollock, cod, or haddock. These species are chosen for their mild flavor, flaky texture, and low fat content. Fish are harvested at sea using trawlers or long-line vessels, and are often processed immediately on board or delivered rapidly to shore facilities. Time is critical. The fresher the fish entering the plant, the better the final product. Upon arrival, the fish are inspected for quality, size, and temperature. Any fish showing signs of spoilage or damage are removed. The remaining fish are washed thoroughly to remove slime, blood, and surface contaminants. From there, they move into filleting lines. Automated filleting machines use blades guided by sensors to separate flesh from bones and skin with minimal waste. Skilled workers may still assist in trimming to ensure clean fillets. Once filleted, the fish portions are trimmed further. Pin bones, dark muscle tissue, and uneven edges are removed. Uniformity is essential because fish sticks must cook evenly. Trimming also improves appearance and texture. At this stage, fillets are still flexible and moist, but they must be handled gently to prevent tearing. After trimming, the fillets move to portioning. Depending on the product type, fish sticks may be made from whole mussel fillet or from formed fish blocks. For whole mussel sticks, fillets are cut into long rectangular strips using high-speed portioning machines. These machines measure thickness and weight, adjusting cuts automatically to maintain consistency. For formed fish sticks, the process is slightly different. Fillets are chopped into smaller pieces and blended lightly to create a cohesive fish mass. This mass is then shaped into uniform blocks or slabs. Forming allows processors to standardize size and reduce waste, especially when using smaller fillets. Regardless of method, the goal is the same: precise, repeatable portions. Once portioned, the fish sticks move to coating. Coating is what gives fish sticks their signature crunch. The coating process usually involves 3 stages: pre-dusting, battering, and breading. Each layer plays a specific role. Pre-dusting applies a light coating of dry flour or starch to the fish surface. This step absorbs excess moisture and helps the batter adhere evenly. Without pre-dusting, batter can slide off during frying or freezing. Next comes battering. The fish sticks pass through a batter applicator where they are submerged or sprayed with a liquid batter made from flour, water, starches, seasonings, and sometimes leavening agents. Batter thickness must be carefully controlled. Too thin, and the coating lacks crunch. Too thick, and it overwhelms the fish and affects cooking performance. After battering, the fish sticks move directly into breading machines. Here, breadcrumbs are applied generously to the sticky batter surface. Breadcrumbs may be fine, coarse, or layered depending on the desired texture. Some fish sticks use multiple breading layers to increase crispiness. Excess crumbs are shaken off to prevent buildup and uneven cooking. At this point, the fish sticks are fully coated but still raw inside. To set the coating and develop flavor, they undergo pre-frying. Pre-frying partially cooks the coating without fully cooking the fish. This step is critical for texture. The sticks enter continuous fryers filled with hot vegetable oil, typically heated to around 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Frying time is short, often less than a minute. During this time, the batter and breading cook, moisture evaporates from the surface, and the coating becomes firm and lightly golden. The fish inside remains mostly raw, protected by the coating. Oil temperature and dwell time are tightly controlled. Too much frying can overcook the fish and darken the coating. Too little leaves the coating fragile. Oil filtration systems continuously remove crumbs to maintain oil quality and flavor. After pre-frying, the fish sticks exit the fryer and pass through draining conveyors where excess oil drips away. Air knives or fans may blow across the surface to remove residual oil and cool the coating slightly. The sticks now have their familiar shape and structure but must be preserved immediately. Freezing is the next critical stage. Fish sticks are frozen rapidly using blast freezers or spiral freezers. Rapid freezing prevents large ice crystals from forming inside the fish, which would damage texture. Temperatures inside freezers can drop below -40 degrees Fahrenheit, -40 degrees Celsius, locking moisture in place within minutes. As the sticks freeze, the fish flesh becomes firm, the coating stabilizes, and microbial activity stops. Freezing also allows fish sticks to be stored and transported for months without quality loss. Once frozen solid, the sticks move to inspection and quality control. Automated vision systems check size, shape, and coating coverage. Metal detectors scan for foreign objects. Weight checks ensure each stick meets specification. Random samples are taken for internal temperature, moisture content, and sensory evaluation. Consistency is essential because fish sticks are cooked directly from frozen by consumers. Any variation in size or coating thickness affects cooking time and results. Quality control systems allow processors to catch and correct issues immediately. Approved fish sticks move to packaging. Packaging lines operate at high speed, counting and portioning sticks into bags or boxes. Packaging materials are designed to protect against moisture, oxygen, and freezer burn. Many packages use laminated films with excellent barrier properties. Before sealing, air inside the package may be displaced with nitrogen to reduce oxidation. Packages are sealed, date-coded, and labeled with cooking instructions and nutritional information. Finished packages are packed into cartons and palletized for frozen distribution. Cold chain management is critical from this point forward. Frozen fish sticks must remain at stable low temperatures throughout storage and transport. Any temperature fluctuation can cause ice recrystallization, degrading texture. Warehouses and trucks are equipped with temperature monitoring systems to ensure product integrity. Behind the visible production steps lies strict sanitation and food safety control. Seafood processing environments require rigorous hygiene due to moisture and protein content. Equipment is cleaned and sanitized regularly. Workers follow strict protocols for handling raw fish. Regulatory standards govern every stage of production. Sustainability is an increasing focus in fish stick manufacturing. Many processors source fish from certified sustainable fisheries to protect marine ecosystems. Byproducts from filleting, such as skin and bones, are repurposed into fish meal or other products, minimizing waste. Energy-efficient freezing systems and water recycling help reduce environmental impact. What makes fish stick production remarkable is how quickly and precisely it operates. From raw fish to frozen product, the entire process may take just a few hours. Within that time, freshness must be preserved, coatings must be applied evenly, and freezing must occur rapidly to protect texture. From fishing vessels and filleting machines to batter applicators, continuous fryers, spiral freezers, and automated packaging lines. Fish stick manufacturing is a tightly coordinated system designed for safety, efficiency, and consistency. And that is how fish sticks are made. Filleted, portioned, battered, breaded, pre-fried, frozen, and packaged. Transforming fresh fish into crispy sticks ready to cook straight from the freezer. Thanks for watching The How Factory.